Y'all niggas got me 50 shades of fucked up right now. What the fuck am I watching here? Like, dude, you are built like Madoka Kaname mixed with motherfucker Marine Nava mixed with motherfucker Megumi Shimizu, nigga. Shut your bitch ass up, bruh. Hey, you in the top left, what the fuck, dude? Your Mammy Tomoe's long lost step cousin, motherfucker. Look at this shit, hey, bruh. And you on the top right, what the flibbity flabbity fuck are you trying to do here? Fuck off.
Squidward Senpai's running so gallantly. He's even sweating like a real artist. Wait, mysterious gentleman, your nose is covered. Somebody help me, Squidward!
What you need to do, my dude, is beat the shit out of these people. And since we're roasting SpongeBob to an extent, I gotta say that Squidward's nose is literally a dick nose, man. And motherfucker, all these girls are going after his dick nose. Get it? Dick nose? Because his nose is literally built like a dick and his dick is naturally supposed to be in the private parts. Sorry. Inappropriate. Sorry.
Leave me alone, please! I still can't get over how beautiful.
Y'all niggas must be fucked up right now. Cause, brother, you on the right, I am seriously gonna get on your ass, bruh. You are 50 shades of fucked up right now. Wanna know why? Because you are gooning to a fictional character that is not even in your universe. The fuck is wrong with you? And yo nerdy has gotta get the fuck off my screen too. Cause motherfucker, what are you trying to pull off here? This stupid ass, bruh. And you, pink-haired woman, how the fuck are you going to a nigga that is not even attractive, my bro? What the fuck, dude? Motherfucker built like fucking Niku off of Witch Watch, nigga. Look at this shit, bruh. I'm not even playing. I'm sorry, but god damn, bruh. Get off my screen.
Beautiful Squidward is. That jawline could cut glass. And the way he holds his clarinet, so refined.
Hey, Mr. Knickerbocker, boppity bop. I like it the way that you boppity bop.
Y'all girls can suck my fucking dick, bruh. Cause motherfucker, what are you trying to pull off at this point? You're trying to accomplish nothing. Just to goon to a motherfucker that came out way before you dumb fucks.
It's like a prince of the sea. Absolute perfection. Totally.
Somebody help me! Stop chasing me! I said stop! I don't have time for this! Wait, the one!
Hi, Squidward.
You know who this motherfucker look like, low-key? Look!
Kid, what the fuck, dude? Motherfucker looking like Nenechi, nigga. Look at this shit, bruh. I'm sorry, but I gotta use her nickname since I don't exactly remember her full name. But fucking hell, my nigga, look at this shit. You cannot be serious as to be telling me that a big bad bitch like you is going to pull a fucking man. Look at this look at this girl. Bitch ass motherfucker.
Lulu, please don't give me the usual.
Squidward is so beautiful.
More like you are so fucking unattractive.
Oh, you nasty ass bastard! You fucking nasty ass motherfucker! That's nasty, man!
Ew, you moaned! No, you are weird as hell. Nah, bruh. You gotta get the fuck out of my face before I, beat the shit out of you. Oh wait, you're probably gonna fucking like that, you fucking weirdo. Since when did Squidward know how to do fucking Japanese? Holy shit, bruh.
Squidward.
Now, I know this is fucking AI, but god motherfucking damn! What in the top gooning fuck is these niggas trying to do here?
I love you.
That is nothing this dude motherfucker would say. That is not anything a motherfucker like him is gonna say, I swear to you.
I love you more.
Yes! 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 No! 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 Fuck! Shit!
Squidward, I love you.
I'm surprised you even pulled a fucking woman.
I love you more.
I'm out. Later.